is the finished product of my Simonilla biscuits. Now we have to taste it. Bismillah wala barakatullah. Yummy, yummy. I watched in YouTube, there is no sugar, so I add sugar. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Because if you did not add sugar, then there is no sweets. But this is little bit sweets. And I add also yogurt because I have available yogurt, so become more tasty. Assalamualaikum everyone. Have a pleasant day to all. Today is Wednesday and today is January 11. Time check Pakistan time is 8:40 a.m. So today I'm going to prepare another recipe early to prepare. So these are all the ingredients. 1 cup of Simonilla or soji, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and I will use also yogurt. This is commercial yogurt because I don't have this organic yogurt. And then I will use also powder milk. This is everyday powder milk and water. I will use also 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients here in bowl. So now we have to put all this one. This is Simonilla or soji. They call it here soji in Pakistan. Also I think in India. And pinch of salt, baking powder. And this everyday powder milk. So I will not put all this 1 sachet or 1 packet. So just 1 tablespoon I think. Because this only 2 tablespoon, I think this 1 sachet or 1 packet. And this flour, all-purpose flour, and this cooking oil, and this yogurt, commercial yogurt. Sorry, nabubulol na. So I will use only 2 tablespoon. Because this one I will use also for another recipe for a yogurt cake. So we have to mix all these ingredients here. Yan, we use this kind of tools. But this is very soft. Because this I buy only, I think 10, 20 rupees. Now we'll add now water. This is the texture or consistency of this butter. Now we have to leave this one for 10 minutes because I have to do something. This is the butter. Now we can make now shape like biscuit. Now we have to apply oil here in hand so it will not become sticky. Yung magdikit ba? And make like this. Yan. It's like yung dila-dila. Now we have to make shape also, design like this. Yan, oh. So we'll put her in plate. Make round. Yan. Now you have to apply more oil in hand, so easy to remove. Para hindi didikit. Oil is already hot. Now we can put now this shape of semolina or soji. So 8 pieces only because I used only 1 cup of semolina. This is my first time to make. Now we have to fry in very low flame so it will not become burn. Ay, dumikit. So first 4 pieces and then another 4 pieces. Frying semolina biscuits. I use only little bit oil here.